Today we'll be installing the Digi PD performance module in a 2004 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. As you can see from the dyno chart, this module can add up to 50 horsepower to your 1.9 liter Jetta TDI. Let's take a look at the diesel-powered Digi PD module. As you can see, the main body of the module houses all the electronics and is about the size of your hand. Then you have the multi-plug inline harnesses that will allow the module to communicate with your Jetta's engine. Lastly, we point out the ground and positive battery connector wires. Installation is very simple, requires only basic hand tools, and should take about 10 to 20 minutes. The diesel-powered Digi PD module's adjustment dial features 16 different power settings numbered 0 through 9 and A through F, with 0 being the lowest and F being the highest setting. We recommend starting out using the factory setting of 9 and adjusting the dial up or down one setting at a time depending on your power preference. The maximum recommended setting for the module on a stock vehicle is C. Higher settings can be used, but may cause an overboost in check engine light. Before starting this installation, it's important to note that the vehicle should be off and the keys should not be in the ignition. The first step in installing the Digi PD module is to remove the engine cover. Next, you'll need to remove the battery cover. Then, if you have one, remove the red connector lock in the stock round multi-plug harness located on the driver's side of the engine under the fuel lines. Turn it counterclockwise to disconnect. After removing the stock multi-plug, connect the female end of the diesel power supplied multi-plug harness to the engine by turning it clockwise until it is tight. Next, connect the stock multi-plug harness to supplied module harness, turning them clockwise towards each other until the two white marks line up. Now you will need to loosen the 10mm nuts on each battery terminal. Connect the red wire connector to the positive terminal and the black wire connector to the negative terminal. Tighten both nuts securely back in place. We find it convenient to run the black and red wires through the wiring harness attached to the back of the battery box. You can do this by sliding the harness's cover up to remove it. After routing the wires, put the cover back in place by sliding it down in the proper slots. With the battery cover back in place, you can now secure the Digi PD's wires using zip ties. Be sure that you take care to secure the wires in safe locations, avoiding areas near the exhaust system and any moving parts. Lastly, you will need to secure the Digi PD module in a convenient location so that you can access the settings dial when needed. We chose to secure the module to the firewall using zip ties, but you can secure it however you prefer. Now that we have the diesel-powered Digi PD module installed, we're going to take a listen to how it sounds.